Goxawee Tool is the source for hard-to-find mini tools for home improvement and DIY. We take great pride in providing the best service in North America. Whether you are a professional craftsman, a robot builder, or a model building hobbyist who requires precision small tools and micro tools, Goxawee Tool can help. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Gift for father, husband, housewife, DIYer. Number 2. Ready-to-go drill set. Goxawee Home Drill Set comes with complete drill bit sets that can work on both wood and metal. The Masonry Drill Bit is especially for drill concrete holes. The extra up to 100 PCs accessories enable the electric drill more functional and practical. The toolbox is very sturdy and conveniently organizes the tool and accessories. It's a you cannot miss everyday drill driver for home users. Number 3. Interruption on project. You can constantly work on your task. This cordless drill came with 2 PCs 1500 mAh Li-ion batteries and a 1-hour fast charger that can use for a long time after each charge. The additional battery is a bonus that makes the cordless screwdriver drill always ready to use without restriction. It's also a good investment for the jobs around the house and garden. Number 4. Accurate control and adjustable mode. The variable speed trigger allows for precise speed control by your own fingers. Besides, the cordless impact driver has a 2-speed setting button, 18 adjustable position clutch, 1 drill working mode, with the max 30 Nm torque which offers you all the daily needs. It's also a fantastic tool for DIYers and crafter. Number 5. Quick chuck and easy use. Working with this power drill is pretty easy and straightforward. The auto lock metal keyless chuck provides an automatic spindle lock that enables easy one-hand changing bits. It's a very lightweight handy drill, comfortable to hold, and it more than makes up for it in time savings. You will feel work has become more relaxed by using it. Number 6. Sweet little surprise. Wider range. Flexible shaft can use in the places where driver bits are hard to reach. Versatile usage. The drill brush, in conjunction with the screwdriver drill, can easily remove and clean stains. Warm after sales. Once we received your messages, we will quick response and take action dependently. Number 7. 2-speed drill driver. The impact function is for drilling in brickwork, and masonry. The variable speed pressure trigger allows you to control the drilling speed. Low speed, 0 to 350 revolutions per minute, is preferable for screwing. High speed, 0 to 1350 revolutions per minute, is more efficient for drilling tasks. Number 8. Adapters for hex nut. Socket wrench 9 sizes, 5 to 13 millimeters, can be used in the automobile industry, households, manufacturing industry, construction, and other industries. Loosen all nuts, bolt heads, hooks, and other fasteners. Perfect match to this electric screwdriver. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Whether this 12V machine can drill the wood with a 3/8 inch, 9.5 mm drill bit. Answer. The keyless auto chuck can hold the bit's shank no bigger than 10 mm, so it's okay to insert the 3/8 inch, 9.5 mm drill bit to drill wood. Question number 2. Can be used drill drywall? Answer. Yes, this drill can be used to drill drywall. Please take attention to the different drill bits attached, and select the correct bit for your purpose. Question number 3. Does this come with a hex bit? Answer. Yes, this cordless drill set comes with 7 different functions: hex drill bit, 1 hex bit drill brush, and 2 adapters are with hex bit too. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.